50 places in a city. Library. Library. We can borrow books at the library. School. School. We learn English at school. University. University. He went to university after high school. Movie theater. Movie theater. We watched Spider-Man at the movie theater. Community center. Community center. My grandma visited the community center. Gym. Gym. I go to the gym to exercise. Stadium. Stadium. The finals will take place at the stadium. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. We always swim in our swimming pool. Water park. Water park. The water park opens every summer. Amusement park. Amusement park. I like to ride the roller coaster at the amusement park. Beach. Beach. I swim at the beach. Park. Park. We had a picnic at the park. Playground. Playground. The kids play at the playground. Museum. Museum. I saw fossils at the museum. Aquarium. Aquarium. There are sharks at the aquarium. Factory. Factory. Toys are made in factories. Restaurant. Restaurant. My family ate dinner at a restaurant. Fast food restaurant. Fast food restaurant. McDonald's is a fast food restaurant. Coffee shop. Coffee shop. People drink coffee at a coffee shop. Supermarket. Supermarket. We buy food at the supermarket. Convenience store. Convenience store. There is a convenience store near my home. Bakery. Bakery. We buy bread at the bakery. Butcher shop. Butcher shop. My dad bought some beef at the butcher shop. Police station. Police station. The police officer works at the police station. Prison. Prison. He went to prison for stealing. Fire station. Fire station. The firefighters leave the fire station. Post office. Post office. My letter went to the post office. Doctor's office. Doctor's office. I go to the doctor's office when I am sick. Dental clinic. Dental clinic. I get my teeth cleaned at the dental clinic. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. I go to the pharmacy to pick up my medicine. Hospital. Hospital. I had to go to the hospital when I broke my arm. Animal hospital. Animal hospital. I brought my cat to the animal hospital. Bank. Bank. I put my money in a bank. City hall. City hall. The mayor is working at City Hall. Shopping mall. Shopping mall. We will go shopping at the shopping mall. Gas station. Gas station. We can fill up our car at the gas station. Train station. Train station. I got on the train at the train station. Subway station. Subway station. My mom goes to the subway station every day. Bus stop. Bus stop. Let's wait for the bus at the bus stop. Bus station. Bus station. We got on the bus at the bus station. Airport. Airport. There are many people at the airport. Hotel. Hotel. We went to the hotel yesterday. Port. Port. Ships dock at the port. Harbor. Harbor. He has a boat at the harbor. Bridge. Bridge. We drove across the bridge. Zoo. Zoo. There are many animals at the zoo. Art gallery. Art gallery. I like to look at paintings at the art gallery. Office building. Office building. My dad works in an office building. Hair salon. Hair salon. I get my hair cut at a hair salon. Skyscraper. Skyscraper. Skyscrapers are tall buildings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.